Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin, let's gather the necessary tools for cleaning your MSI Stealth 14AI Studio. You will need a Phillips screwdriver, a Torx screwdriver, compressed air canister, microfiber cloth, and thermal paste. Make sure you have a clean, static-free workspace to avoid damaging components. Start by shutting down your laptop and unplugging it from any power source. Next, remove the back panel by unscrewing the screws using the Phillips screwdriver. Be sure to keep track of the screws, as they can vary in size and length. If you're unsure about handling these tools, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, which could save you time and effort. Once the back panel is removed, you'll see the internal components of your laptop. It's important to be gentle and avoid touching sensitive parts. Use the compressed air canister to blow out any dust buildup, especially around the fans and heat sinks. This helps to improve airflow and cooling efficiency. If you find it challenging to do this yourself, our pickup and delivery at your home service is available, ensuring you don't have to worry about transporting your device. Next, carefully remove the fans if you notice excessive dust accumulation. This usually involves unscrewing them and gently lifting them out. Once removed, give them a thorough clean with compressed air. Pay attention to the fan blades and the surrounding area. If you need assistance, remember, no calls, no travel, we handle everything for you. After cleaning the fans, check the thermal paste on your CPU and GPU. If it's dried out or uneven, it's time to replace it. Use a microfiber cloth to clean off the old thermal paste carefully. Apply a small amount of new thermal paste to the center of the CPU and GPU before reattaching the heatsink or fan. This step is crucial for maintaining optimal temperatures and performance. Once everything is clean and reassembled, replace the back panel and secure it with the screws. Make sure that all components are securely connected and that no tools or materials are left inside the laptop. If you prefer to avoid the hassle altogether, we offer a quote before repair service, allowing you to know the costs upfront without any surprises. This is especially handy if you want to ensure your laptop is in top shape without doing the work yourself. Finally, power on your laptop and check if everything is functioning properly. You should notice improved performance and quieter operation thanks to your internal cleaning efforts. Regular maintenance can go a long way in prolonging the life of your MSI Stealth 14AI Studio, and we're here to help when you need it. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.